Alright guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do to create this sales by country chart is first select the entire country column, copy that, create a new sheet, and paste those values into a new sheet. Once I've got that pasted, the next thing I'm going to do is come up to the data ribbon and choose the remove duplicates option. I'm going to check that my list has headers, select OK, and this is going to remove all the duplicate countries so that we only have each country one time. The next thing I'm going to do is come over to the column right next to that and type in SUMIFS. Come back over to my data tab, select the entire sales column because that's the column that we want to sum. Then add a comma after I've selected that column, select the entire country column. After that, I'm going to come back over to my new sheet, select that first country, close the parentheses. I'm going to format this so that it's actually a dollar value. And then I'm just going to drag this formula down. Now we've got our total sales for each country. Going to add a title here. Once I've got all of that, I'm just going to select the entire two columns here, being country and total sales. Come up here to my insert ribbon and choose the map chart. Now this is going to give us our sales for each country, and it's highlighted to show that the country with the highest sales is the darkest right now. I'm going to go ahead and add in a title. I'm going to do a little formatting here. Excel actually gives me some design, so I'm thinking this black chart looks a little better. And for that title, let's go ahead and make it money green since we are talking about sales here. Now, if I zoom in here and I quickly hover over the United States, we can see that it's the darkest color because it's right at 2.3 mil. If I filter this chart so that we see the total sales, we can see that the US actually has 2.3 mil in sales. So that means that the data came through accurately and we are correctly visualizing it. Just going to filter this for the United States. When we look at that, we see that it is right at 2.3, just under that. Again, taking this filter off and just confirming that. Perfect.